R2UDA, I, Barafinda SEKIKUBO Fred, the R2UDA President, our values. We, the R2UDAs, what do we stand for? Our values represent an important commitment that the decisions we make will be in the best interests of the people we serve and the people we employ. Our values be reached and ever after some time shall be refreshed and relaunched during total achievements. Our values are: 1. Proud to care. 2. Make it happen. 3. We value respect. 4. Together we achieve. Customer focus, member focus, membership focus, integrity in both Rwanda and Rwandans in general. Quality and on speed, or velocity. Quantity to maximize the markets, the domestic markets or the international markets. Excellence in all people and things, or commodity creation. Strategy and objectives. How will we, the R2UDA, deliver value to Rwandan population? In order to deliver our vision, we shall work with all the R2UDAs. Communities, staff, and partner organizations to identify all R2UDA strategic goals due to 200 good many causes. These goals provide the focus for our work over the coming years, and are supported by 200 strategic priority causes or good many causes. Thank you very much for paying attention for us. God shall help all of us together, and our togetherness shall be the strength to get whatever we need in a top gear. So, we the R2UDAs, ladies and gentlemen, plus our children, boys and girls, maximize respect. You have to respect one another so that we can promote national human rights and international human rights too in our biggest democracy of ours, we the R2UDAs. We shall have everything according to the respect of one another, respecting one another. whereby everybody shall let one another in our main agenda of good leadership, or providing good leadership. Let us all together be together, work together, live together, love one another. Together we shall develop Rwanda. This is the president of Rwanda, Barafinda SEKIKUBO Fred, the head of Rwanda Revolutionary United Democratic Advancers for 200 good many causes. Therefore, I am welcoming all Rwandans, East Africans, all Africans, to create USA 2, United States of Africa 2, due to many good 200,000 causes. Thank you very much indeed, and it is my great pleasure. For that, we shall remove all internal borders and create one single block, so-called USA 2, United States of Africa. Rwanda shall be the capital city of Africa, this single block. Therefore, let us wish all the rulers and their well-wishers. Thank you very much indeed. God may keep you safe and soundly. And it is my great pleasure